Hi, we're going to take a look at Showbie and how a teacher can create a class and set prep or homework using the app. So open up the app and then you get the option to sign in. I have an account, so I can go for the already registered option. And again, I can use my Google account to log in there by hitting the Google button and then hitting allow. So once in the app, you can see on the left hand side there's some classes that I've already assigned. I'm going to make up a brand new class now, and it's going to be English Year 9. To do that, I use the spanner at the top. It's quite a simple interface. There's not many buttons to press. Most of the work that you can do comes via the spanner button. So I hit the spanner, and you can see there I can create a new class by clicking on New Class. I'm going to give it a name. It's going to be English Year 9. And you can see underneath that there's a code. I'm going to make a note of that code because that's the code that you share with the pupils you wish to join the class. Once you're happy, you hit save, and you can see now on the left hand side in my classes I now have a new class called English Year 9 with that class code underneath it, B3BCP. So the next thing I'm going to do is set an assignment. So I hit the class, and you can see straight away the yellow sign appears next to the spanner that says I can add an assignment. If you hit the assignment button, you can then see you've got the option of adding new assignment. So I'm going to hit on that and then click on type in Romeo and Juliet essay. Underneath where I've typed, you can see you've got the option of changing the due date and even the time that you want that handed in. I'm going to leave it as it is and click on save. And now you can see I've got the Romeo and Juliet essay. Now, to add more detail about what I expect, if I tap on the Romeo and Juliet assignment, I get the option to then enter a shared folder, which is essentially a shared space for the pupils and the teacher to work in. So in that, by clicking on the shared folder, I can now hit the plus and provide a little bit more detail about what I want them to do. You can see there I've put, please write an essay summarising your thoughts on the play, full stop. When you hit save, you'll see it opens up almost like a chat, and it's quite clear who set that. It's got my avatar there, and it also says next to it, Mr. Jones just now. Now the students can join in that chat, they can leave their comments, they can ask questions, and you can respond. If I hit the plus again, you'll see that it's not just writing you can put in there. You could put in a picture, you could put in a comment like I've done already, or even a voice note. Or you could even connect to things like iCloud Drive, Dropbox or OneDrive, which would be useful for us at King's, with even more detailed and bigger files. So that's how you start in Showbie, set an assignment into a class that you've created, and add more detail to what you expect them to do. Now, the next video will show you what happens in Showbie from the pupil's perspective. Thank you. Goodbye.